Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and welcome back to my channel, that is Learn Math with me. Today our topic is fraction, but we are going to learn how to add a fraction and how to subtract a fraction. So let's start with adding a fraction. But the first thing is that when we are having same denominators, that means the denominators are same. So we don't need to change the denominators. We just need to add the first two the numerators, the both numerators. So it will be very easy. Like we are going to plus 1 is 2, and this denominator will be copied as it is. So we did that at we don't need to copy or change the denominator. We just need to add the numerators, and then we are going to get the answer, and the denominator will be copied as it is. Now when we are having different denominators, so to make these denominators same, because we can, before making if the denominators are same, then we can add or subtract these fractions, and if they are not same, we cannot. So to make the denominator same, we are going to take out the LCM. So it's 6 and 3 the denominators. So 6 comes in 2's table with 3. This 3 will be copied, and then in 3's table 3 comes. The LCM has been taken out, so when we multiply 2 with 3, it is 6. So we need to take our denominator, make our denominator 6. So 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. So this one, when we multiply the denominator with any number, this numerator will be also multiplied with the same number. And 3 2's are. So this will be also multiplied with 2. Now we have made the denominator same. So 6 1's are 6 and 3 2's are 6. So this will be the same denominators, and 2 1's are is 2, 2 2's are 4. So our final answer is 2 plus 4 is 6, and it is 6 over 6. So basically the denominators were not same in this concept, and to make the denominator same, we take out the LCM, and after taking out the LCM, we made the denominator same. Then we added both the numbers, and we got the answer, that is 6 over 6. Now when we are having subtracting a fraction, that's the same like adding in fraction, but we are just subtracting it. So the denominators are same, so we are going to just subtract them. Like 3 minus 2 is 1, and that is 4. So it's just like this, just we need to subtract it. But when the denominators are not same, we are going to take the LCM. This time the denominator is 6 and 8. So 6 comes in 2's table when like 6 3's are with 3, and 8 comes with 4. So now we're going to take 3 1's are 3, and 4 1's are 4. Now we're going to multiply them. So 3 2's are 6, and 6 4's are, it is 24. And so we need to take out a denominator, that is 24. So we are going to multiply 6 with 4, and this will be also multiplied with 4. Then we are going to multiply 8 with 3, and this with also 3. We've got the denominator, that is 4. So 5 4's are 20, and 2 3's are 6. Now we are going to get an answer, that is 14, and denominator is 24. So we did the same that we did over here. We took out the LCM, and after taking out the LCM, we made the denominator same, and then we subtract subtract them and got the answer, that is 40 over 24. So that's all for today's lesson, that we learn about how to add a fraction and how to subtract a fraction when we are having same denominators or different denominators. So that's all for today. I hope you like my video. If you have any question related to this, you can comment down below. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you, and Allah Hafiz.